Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and a little update that I wanted to give out to everybody that is on Windows Update. There are a little bit of reports that on Windows 10 there's a rollback of the cumulative update for Patch Tuesday that happened yesterday, August 14th, 2018. If you do have that problem on Windows 10, I haven't seen a report of problems on Windows 7, so it seems to be a very specific Windows 10 problem. I'll post the link to this page, which is the Microsoft Update catalog, in the description below the video. There you can actually make sure that you download manually the update. When the update fails, when you use Windows Update, and this is valid for Windows 7 also. So depending on the version, all you need to know is the KB number of the update. So for Windows 10, it's KB 4343909. For Windows 7, it's a different KB number. Just enter the update number and click search, and you will see that it will come up in the search, and you can manually download them. So two types of updates available for Windows 10, by the way. The Delta update, which is the update that has only the updates from yesterday, and there's the cumulative update, which is a bigger package which contains pretty much all the updates since the April 2018 version was released. So you can try one or the other. Just make sure you choose the correct one, either x64 for people that have a 64-bit Windows, x86 for, of course, a 32-bit Windows. If you're not sure, don't worry, you can't install the wrong one. It's going to tell you it's not for your system or it's not compatible, so you'll know you'll have the wrong one if you do so. So link in the description below the video, and if you have some problems. And if you have issues, of course, on Windows 7, go to the Microsoft Update catalog and enter the KB number of that update that doesn't work. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.